For the proper development of country, it is important to bridge the gap between rich and poor. This gap should be totally eradicated. There should be no gap between rich and poor. What did I say right now? That equal division of the wealth of the country. So, rich and poor by achieving both social and economic equality. Social equality, it should be given, and simultaneously economic equality should be given and should be divided or distributed. But it is not happening in our country. There are many countries, those are capitalist countries. Capitalist countries, a huge discrimination, vast gap between poor and the rich. So, this is under the heading socialism. And next, the heading is secularism. Secularism, I think you have heard this term, secular state. That means where various kinds of religions, those are practiced, they are free to practice their own religion. Mosques, shrines, temples, churches, gurdwaras, monasteries. So, you will not face any sort of hindrance on behalf of government. You are free to practice your own religion. You are free to worship in your temple, shrine, mosque, churches, monasteries, gurdwaras. So, secularism, that means India is a secular state, you know very well. So, the preamble states that India is a secular country. This means that there will be no state religion. Underline these lines. The preamble up to fundamental right. Up to fundamental right. Underline this. Not first bracket, you have to underline. So the preamble states that India is a secular country. This means that there will be no state religion, no particular state religion should be practiced. There are many countries in the world that one religion on behalf of government, whether they are monarchical state or democratic state, but only particular religion that is allowed. And the people of that country, they do practice that particular religion. But in our country, you are free to practice your own religion. So that this means that there will be no state religion. All religions will be treated equally. The Constitution also guarantees the right to freedom of religion as a fundamental right. Up to here. The government also protects your religion. That means individual religion, government has to protect. Not only protects, the government has to protect all the religions accordingly. If you are free to practice your own religion, that is government's responsibility to protect each and every religion. There will be no segregation or no discrimination, or there will be no partiality. Government should not follow or should not practice any kind of partiality regarding religion. All religions are same under the government. So government has to protect all the religions. So this includes, so you will underline up to fundamental right. This includes the freedom to profess, propagate, practice any religion. Hence, every religious group in India can practice and propagate its faith. Once again, you put only first bracket on page number 214. First bracket from the government up to religion or sex. The government has the duty to protect the life, liberty, property of all its citizens without discriminating against them on the basis of caste, creed, religion or sex. Government will not segregate any caste, creed. There should be no partiality. Government will not follow or not practice any partiality regarding caste, creed. Especially in our country, it is democratic state, parliamentary constitution, and I have already told that it took a long time to draft the constitution. So government should be totally neutral. Government should be neutral, and government has to protect all the religions, and government has to apart from protection, that government has to assure the people of any religion that there should be no casteism, or there should be no segregation or discrimination on the basis of gender. So this guarantee and this assurance government has to give, and that is the chief feature, or those are the chief features of our constitution. So guys, this much for the day. And this question, the next question, you will write, what is secularism? What is secularism, or what is the term meant by secularism? Then you will note down the definition, the preamble up to fundamental right. This is the definition. What is secularism, or what is the term meant by secularism? And after that, next question you will write. Next question. What are the assurances? What are the assurances our government has to give to the citizens? Has to give to the citizens. Then the answer will be, the government has the duty up to religion or sex. So guys, this much for the day. I don't want to exaggerate. I don't want to give you stress. This is one of the important chapters in political science or civics. Up to class 8, you will say that it is called civics. From class 9, you will say political science. So this is one of the important chapters in the civic segments. So this chapter, first you read the entire chapter. Entire means up to here, today's lecture, up to page number 214. And then already I have given you the question, already I have told you the answers, I have discussed, I have taught you. So on the basis of my lecture, you have already put first bracket, underline everything. Then apart from that, when you will complete the question answer, this process you will complete, then in the notebook, in the copy, you will write the heading, Preamble of India, bold letter, that means a capital letter. The heading should be Preamble of India, capital letter. Then you will write the preamble, which is written in the green colored box here, block. Okay. So till then, guys, take care of yourself. Stay home. Stay safe. God bless you. Bye bye.